This is a video you absolutely can't miss. What you're about to see will transform how you think about video surveillance. Meet the ACTi Control Center, AI-powered, maintenance-free, and ultra-flexible for the toughest security operations in cities, factories, and prisons. It's time to upgrade your security strategy effortlessly. Let's start with Live View. ACTi Control Center supports up to 225 channels with flexible layouts. From busy streets to factory lines or prison halls, Fisheye Dual gives you crystal-clear panoramic views. Integrated Google Maps and GPS offer real-time tracking. PTZ control and two-way audio via mouse, joystick, or screen put total control in your hands. Next up, video analytics. Using deep learning AI, ACTi detects faces, vehicles, plates, and suspicious behaviors like loitering or intrusion. In city roads, factory zones, or prisons, threats are spotted in real time with instant alerts. Precise, smart, unstoppable. Now for system management. With N+1 and end-to-end redundancy, the system stays fail-safe. It monitors CPU, memory, and disk status constantly. During overloads, it auto-switches to lighter streams or lower frame rates, keeping NVRs and CMS running smoothly. Add silent setup and backup, and you get zero disruption. Setup is incredibly simple. No training is required, even first-time users can handle it. Server migration is quick and seamless. With Active Directory, managing hundreds of users across cities, factories, or prisons becomes streamlined and secure. On to event management. From motion and audio to AI and system events, everything's covered. ACTi Control Center reacts with pop-ups, PTZ control, alerts via email or line, and automated commands. Search events with thumbnails, bookmark clips, and export videos fast. Security made simple. Next, client applications. Access the system via full Windows client or light/full web clients. Mobile apps for Android and iOS let you stream live, control PTZ, review footage, and get alerts. No PC? Use a standalone HDMI decoder, perfect for kiosks and control rooms. Last, user management. Create unlimited accounts, set permissions, enable auto logout, and enforce dual-factor login. Passwords expire by policy, all actions are logged, and video is encrypted. Total visibility, with complete control over access. Time to level up your surveillance. ACTi Control Center is your smart, scalable, and stress-free solution for next-gen security. Contact us now and discover how it can enhance your city, factory, or prison operations. The future of security starts here.